Welcome to an extended episode of RH Constructions, the unboxing. I always feel like whenever unboxings come in the mail, that somebody already tries to pre-open all my stuff. Today we hear that table? It's called retirement. This baby's done though. We're gonna rotate her. She has some good weight to it. I'm very excited about this. You don't even know. Oh, 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 oh. Let's get her out the box. Here we have fresh out the factory, back order. Got lucky, found this baby toanut.com. Good price. Makita XPS01PTJ. AOTX 18 volt plus 18 volt 36 volt plunge track saw. The most economically priced track saw, plus quality, plus speed, plus power, plus everything on a budget, plus we're gonna build a house with this baby. Track saw. We got the track saw too. My kit costs $880 because I got this kit here, I believe, with the 55-inch track. This baby here was $499. I opted as well for the 118-inch track that came in a 10-foot wooden box. Amaze ball is too big to fit on camera without doing it outside, and I'm not doing it outside today. Let's grab that track. Alright, 55-inch Makita guide rail. This is our guide rail here. Let's move some things around. Move her on down. Move her on down. Boom. Slide her back into focus. 55-inch guide rail. You've seen one guide rail. You've seen all the guide rails. I'll open her up at the very end. I'll clear the table off and open her up. Now for the best part of the day. Opening up the tool that you've always wanted. I've always wanted a track saw. I feel like this is going to take my finishing and my framing, a lot of different things, my cut quality, my speed, my repeatability, my quality, I think I said quality already, to the very next level. Because I am a stickler for quality. This baby, I should say what's included with this baby before I pull out the box. It has two carrying cases, one for the battery system, which is a 45-minute charger for two 18-volt batteries that it charges simultaneously from dead to fully charged in 45 minutes. There's a case for the charger, a case for the plunge saw. I'm pretty sure it doesn't come with a blade because they're not Milwaukee. This baby, I'm happy I worked out. Two stackable boxes, my Makita XPS01PTJ track saw. I'm happy. Like I said, this was on back order when I ordered it, and I stumbled upon. I've been looked for it online for quite some time. I finally had the money to purchase it, and when I finally had the money to purchase this item, I decided to figure out who could have it the quickest. The only person I saw with an actual date, even though they said it would change, was toolnut.com. Shout out to toolnut.com, love their service. So this item here on toolnut.com was, I ordered it July 3rd. They said it would be back ordered July 31st, so I said I could wait 3 weeks. They sent me an email around July 3rd to say, hey, sorry to tell you, but this baby's been pushed back further to September 17th. I got an email about 3 days later that said, hey, we shipped your item out. Awesome. Awesome sauce. Christmas in August. I always like to find that little re-pull tab. I don't know, I'm a weirdo. I like it for some reason. Did you get that? To rotate that baby over, there's usually some space here. You ain't gotta cut it. You just pull that baby down. If I had some nails, it'd be easy. Bang. Test your mic. Snap that baby. And again, there's our model number right there. XPS01PTJ. So this is the interlocking cases. It interlocks at 4 points. There. Bang. 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 Comes off. Unlock the top. Same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. A beauty. All wrapped in plastic. The best way to get anything. Our directions. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is ginormous. I see why it has a carrying case, and I see why it charges in 45 minutes. There is a lot of circuitry in this baby. This is like, it reminds me of an Atari, honestly. You know, the Atari game system. The Makita 2-port multi-charger, model number DC18RD. Boom. Seen one, you seen them all. First one I've ever seen, so I haven't seen them all. The box, I love the box. Our red foam cushion. Have our 2 wrap batteries. Boom. 2 wrap batteries. Boom. Foam cushion at the bottom. Bubble wrap the batteries. Honestly, I probably always restore the batteries bubble wrapped. Everyone ships them dead. So yeah, I'll probably charge them when I get to site, honestly. When I get back to site and use it the first day, I want to trim down some doors to fit into the actual door jams. I might actually pull out the camera for that and actually get some footage of that on site. Let me guys know, comment down below if you like on-site videos better. These videos, I know I look like Hobo the Smo on site, but I like to get down and dirty and get her done. Again, we have 2 18-volt 5-amp-hour Makita batteries. It's amazing to me that Makita only goes up to 5 amp hours, but they must have it down to a science as far as they want that rapid recharge time it was saying. And I'm told a theory that this saw here, I'll put these back in later. This saw here does not run without both batteries. I'm here to call bullshit because I feel like again we're gonna test that theory. Project Farm style. So it's cool, you can lock it up high or lock it down low depending on where you want to go. Sit her up there for now. Then we have our plunge saw, 6.5 inch plunge saw. That's how this baby is shipped. So it's a cool little plastic tray it sits in. Nothing too sturdy. We're gonna pull this baby out. And yeah, here we go. Has a number dial here. goes from 1 to 5. What does that mean? I assume that's the amount of power it will generate. Here we have our thumb latch to oh, the blade's already installed. Oh, sexy. Oh, that's so sexy. Push button thumb lock. Until that's pushed, it will not rotate down. It's a beautiful thing. And over here on this side, you have our twistable adjustable lever that is going to adjust how far our plunge comes down. See here? I'm going to go up higher. We have no plunge. It's nearly. We have about 25 millimeters of plunge. We have 10 millimeters of plunge. We have 50 millimeters of plunge. 55 actually. We have our 48-degree dial. Pretty simple. Rotate it. We rotate it over. It lines up here on the orange. We have our slide locks here. Our slide lock here to lock into the track when we're actually on the track. The plunge on the track. Now they say it needs both batteries to run, but most people on the video, I think they're like retarded because they just plug one at the top. And of course, it's not going to run that way. You gotta do the jump around, go down to port number 2. E-brake on that baby. I was wrong. Let's see. Let's go down to 1. Less power. It's 1, 2, 3. You can hear it in 3. That changed there. 4. Even more. Look at this 5. This baby's legit. It says here both our batteries on 1. I'm happy this is a track saw because this baby is heavy. Man, how much does this weigh? Especially with the batteries. No, actually, because it rocks that way when you put one battery on. Kind of brings it back. But you put this baby on, it actually is well balanced. Oh baby, very happy with this investment of this track saw. Set this to the side for a moment. Bubble wrap them batteries. Why not? It came with it. Throw this baby back in her and let her get with it. This 5-pound skateboarder. I wonder, was engineering smart enough where you can store these babies on? Oh, no. You can't store these on the battery charger. Engineering faux pas number 1. Slide this baby in the bike. In the bike. Slide this baby in the bike. In the bike. So again, if you're just not locking another one, you just pull it straight in. And the lock's on this one. If you're locking another one, just locking one. Boom. If you're locking this on top of another one, bring it up, snap in. Ain't no locking cases. It's like, you know. Pretty sick, dude. Pretty sick. I'm not gonna play around with this one with the ties. See here, what I'm talking about. Look at this thing. Looks like somebody had a good old day fun trying to open this here. On both ends. Thank you, whoever sends this stuff to me. Apparently you want to see some of these things as much as I do. So, track soy. This one is not shipped as nicely as that $225 plus shipping of $25 10-foot baby. That comes, like I said, in a wooden box. I'm gonna double to take that to site. So about this baby here, like for the price of these things, like this should come with a carrying case. I'm just saying. Like, let me not break this the first day out. We'll have to build a carrier for these. 55 inch or 1400 millimeter track saw. Actually, I think I might take it to site like this, at least. We just keep this in okay shape. Maybe. On our track. Whoa, baby. Whoa. You guys remember Blossom? The show Blossom? Whoa. That's what this is for me. Whoa. One would say, how do you lock this baby in? Look for the hump. Right there. There. This lock here, you see how it slides right off? Sit this baby down, flick this lever, comes out, locks it onto the track. Nice and smooth. So, you know, the track saw is going to come off and it's going to cut through the rubber lip guard right here, which I don't know why. I feel like they just do that so it can cut through that rubber lip guard. I'm going to take the track off. So, the track. So there's a rubber lip here, right? And I feel like, you know, to keep it tight to the blade, but they have it cut through here, maybe because each track's a little bit wider or narrow right there by the blade. So they wanted each saw to have its own perfect fit. But I feel like I do that just so you can see if somebody used that track before they brought it back to the store and might have cleaned up all the scuffs. My theory. And two, this is an old table, but it's super wobbly for sure. Super wobbly, but to see the track, especially in the middle, it's playing really well. That is thanks to these foam guides. These are foam. This is pretty cool. Try to keep these in decent shape. I wonder if these are pull off or replaceable, or get a couple more of these. But yeah, I'm very happy with this. This will be out on site. Draw your line. Match that BB up. This is a 56 tooth blade. 952 RPM. Like I said, moves on it beautifully. Lock it onto the track. Baby's nice. Excellente investment. I slid it on here, scuffed it, can't sit it back now. Boom. It sits down there very nicely. It'll keep it from rocking somewhat. But I'm gonna put this baby. I'm gonna put that white little carton that came with it back in. Because I don't want to break my saw on the first day. Again, our 55-inch, 1400 millimeter guide saw for our track saw, our plunge saw. Our XPS01PTJ Makita with the interlocking box. Bang. Range Rovers. Put this slider back in. Just keep my saw from moving too much. Baby cost me too much. I just couldn't fathom and getting messed up this time. Lift our interlocking box up. Sit her on top. Bring her up to the second level. Bang. Our track saw. Yeah. So we got our track saw this episode. Our track saw. Really hope you guys like the content. Comment down below the good, bad, and the ugly. Boom. Down below. Individualized first use, things like that. They'll be coming soon. This will be getting used tomorrow on site. Used tomorrow on site. Used tomorrow on site. Feel like I'm hanging doors tomorrow as well because I'm trimming doors. Probably use this. I don't know. Current client, they want, you know, too much off-the-shelf things. I don't really care for it. I'd rather have some more craftsmanship with it. But I doubt I'll have to use these tomorrow for anything. Definitely going to get a lot of work into this track saw this week. As well as our M1 caliber. As I'm thinking about it, I feel like what I'm going to do is, because I'm going to lose my additional M1 caliber wheel if I don't put it in here, because I'm just going to toss this straight into my XL pack out, slap this baby on top, slap this baby inside of this baby, inside of that baby, on top of that baby, and that lady. And we will go ahead and put our extra wheel in a small Ziploc bag and slip that baby inside of here, just so I can keep it all together. Feel like I don't leave it in the box. Something that happened to the other box and I'll lose it, then there'll be no more unboxing because I lost the box. Peace!